Hello everyone, this is AV Perkins of avdoeswhat.com, the DIY and lifestyle blog. If you guys have been following me on Facebook and Instagram, as you should, AV Does What, I've been chronicling my glow up. I've been taking care of more of my health, working out, drinking water, minding my business, and buying a lot of makeup. A brand new me, a lot of lip gloss and lipstick specifically. Okay, now after I purchased all of those things, I needed a place to put them. Guess where I went? Ikea, one of my favorite places in the world. I got a laptop table. It doesn't take up a lot of space, so it's great for those New York or small apartments because all apartments in New York are small. It was super simple, super easy. You just need gold spray paint and some contact paper. I'll leave the links in the description box. I just feel amazing every time I put on my makeup, and I want to show you guys how I rehacked my Ikea laptop table right now. Now you have your own vanity made out of a laptop table. How cost effective is that? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend that likes Ikea hacks, tell somebody else who wants to glow up. Tell me about your glow up. We're here, we're in this together. And don't forget, life is better when you do it yourself. Until next time, peace out.